Hello, my people. I greet the full house from untouchable mama. Also, now they fine. Now do what so now tell they help me till they share, comment, like. God go bless you now. My people, I will put this video now two in one video. I will put the video for now Mona watch. Mona see the way Ogbalegbete they do for our country. That our country, and the way they take they do, when they take they embarrass people, it dey very, very bad. You get this one or two video. The first video now one of our brother where we everybody know for social media where they call Harrison. He dey inside a car just dey jejeje. When one Ogbalegbe just come and the Ogbalegbe no even wear cloth. They ask and say which job you dey do, which work you dey do. Because when some people, when our boys, some of our boys go they talk and say if Ogbalegbe see them with a fine cloth or anything at all, then they ask them say which work you dey work, where you for see money where you take buy all these things. This man and person wey person still know for social media, then just stop and they ask and say which job you dey do. When not be that one you supposed to ask. Wetin you supposed to ask to check whether he get something for inside car or whether he document for the car, whether he complete. You no ask that one. If they ask and say which job they do, now that man come tell and say which job they do. You're not supposed to ask me this question. Why you they ask me? Say which job I they do. Now see the way they tell they do for that Nigeria. Anybody when they see say you wear fine clothes, they go just the suspect say maybe this one na Yahoo, maybe this one na that one, maybe this one na this one. If it be say that one, that person one of the suspects, na innocent, you no even get anything to do with all those nyama thing. Now the video be this one, I go put on, I go watch am, wanna see the way they take, or you wanna see the way they take they do people wey dey grant for them. People wey come there abroad, if they come, how they go come do them? The worst na they go come do. All these things got to stop. Make they do their job well. They know they do their job well. And later now they'll say people know they respect the cloth where they put for body. You put cloth for body. You not respect yourself. You stop me. Ask me what you supposed to ask me. Not ask me whether which job I they do, where I for the work. What it concern the job where you they do. It not get wetin to do with you. You not be lawyer when you want to ask and say maybe get issue. You want ask and say wetin you which work you dey work. Your own na to wait stop car, look at whether the document correct, whether something there for inside the car. If you feel like say maybe you dey suspect, you check inside the car. But they no dey do that one. They do other things wey not concern them. To make sure say the carry person come they ask and say which job you dey work, how much you dey receive, now where you dey for they do some you know all those things wey not even get meaning. Then they ask. So for the other video, this police officer, he said as they talk and they may say it's like they kidnap a pikin. This one now Ogbalegbe they kidnap person, so they tell the pikin they collect the wristwatch where e dey in hand, they carry am go put go NTA this thing where they for the collect money, then withdraw all your money for your account. Mona see wetin Ogbalegbe they do. Now this kind of thing that they're supposed to they do. No, the answer is no. They know they do their job well. We not say the country not even good, but they come worst. Me I put the video.
Sir?
What do you do for a living?
Ask me that question. You ask me that question.
I said, what do you do for a living?
Are you supposed to ask me that question?
Am I not supposed to ask you that question?
At all.
Come down first. Come down
I don't have right to ask you that question.
I don't have right.
I'm telling you now.
Who are you? Who are you?
Ask me that question. If you want to search the car, search the car or check the car.
Huh?
If you want to search the car and check the car. I will not tell you. Over and out.
I don't hear you.
I will not tell you.
Hello?
Hear that thing again?
I stop him. I now ask him. I now ask him.
Hear not that thing again, sir.
Hold on, calm down. Excuse me. Hello, calm down. Excuse me.
Well done, sir.
What's the problem?
I know what do you
I'm in the car.
Hold on.
You just ask me, what do you do for a living? I said, you don't have right to ask me that question.
Okay.
No right at all. That's what I told him.
Okay.
If you want to search the car or check vehicle papers.
Hold on.
That's all.
Hold on. Alpha. Hold on. See, what we do here.
Yes.
What we do here. We are on stop and search. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Leave the issue to me now. You go to your work. You come. Officer, you come. You come. What we do here is this. We are on stop and stress. We search vehicle and we search people in person.
That's a good job.
Say you get me.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry the way you put it for you. All he's supposed to have done, please come down. I want to search this vehicle. I want to search you.
We are going for a case there now, sir. The way he's dressed, I'm going to take a picture. I'll send to your CP the way you are dressed. You're not supposed to be in their midst. Look at the way he's dressed and you say you're a policeman. Are you a policeman?
Hello.
Yeah, this man. Did you see policeman here?
You
You see policeman.
look at the way he's dressed.
Hold on.
Listen. I do not stop the way you are because you are a police officer. But if not, I won't even do that.
This man, come. Abeg, can you talk to this man?
Can we go, sir? No problem. Let's go. Charles, let's go. Thank you, sir.
A couple of days ago, my son was, would I say, kidnapped by the police people that are in Bori, in Kana local government in Thai. These people saw my son with a new phone, a wristwatch. I bought that phone. I also bought the wristwatch. I take care of my son. He's in school. I am not that father who is going to abandon his son. I take care of my son. I give him what he needs, not what he wants. These policemen saw my son and took him, dragged him around with guns, threw him in their van, threatened to kill him. Out of fear, my son tried to call me. He couldn't get me because my phone was on airplane mode because of what I was doing. I was at my unit doing soldier thing. They dragged my son around in fear, took my son to where he withdrew all the money he had in his account. What else is stealing? What else is financial crime? What else is what pursuing? There might be police officers, but I think the EFCC needs to look at the police first. Some of us are overseas killing ourselves, doing the right thing, representing Nigeria well. We could have been doing something crazy. People doing the Yahoo 419, they don't have two heads. They're Nigerians like us. But we chose to do the right thing. We chose to be on the right path. Then the Nigerian police, who are the biggest criminals in uniform and in guns, would go about victimizing innocent Nigerians, the ones that are doing right. They see you with a phone, you're a Yahoo boy. If you carry a laptop, you're a criminal. The trauma these people put my son through. I am filing a lawsuit against that police, the whatever unit or tax